Hello, and welcome to the Wild Nature Channel. Today, we're getting to know one of the most intelligent and fascinating inhabitants of tropical forests, the orangutan. These incredible primates amaze us with their cleverness, agility, and unique way of life. Let's find out where they live, what they eat, how they communicate, and why they are endangered. So get comfortable. There's lots of interesting stuff ahead. Orangutans are the most human-like of all apes. Their DNA is 97% identical to that of humans. Along with chimpanzees, gorillas, and humans, orangutans belong to the hominid family. Within that family, they form their own genus, Pongo, which includes 3 species of orangutans: the Bornean orangutan, the Sumatran orangutan, and the Tapanuli orangutan, found in northern Sumatra. Orangutans are the heaviest tree-dwelling animals. They spend most of their time high in the treetops, swinging from branch to branch in search of food and mates. Interestingly, these primates are so well adapted to this lifestyle that they usually drink water from leaves or lick it off their fur after rain. In rare cases, when orangutans do come down to the ground, they move on all fours. At night, they build sleeping nests, usually a new one each time. Orangutans are large in size. Male height can reach up to 1.5 meters, with a body weight of 50-90 and even up to 135 kilograms. Females are much smaller, about 1 meter in height and 30-50 kilograms in weight. They have a massive build with well-developed muscles. Their hind limbs are short, while their forelimbs are very long. Orangutans have an impressive arm span, about 2.2 meters, which is remarkable considering their average height. Their arms are so long that they are 1.5 times the length of their legs and nearly reach their ankles when standing upright. They are incredibly skillful and often use both their front and back limbs to gather food and move through the trees. Like humans, they have 4 fingers, a thumb, and nails. Interestingly, their feet are nearly identical in shape to their hands, making them excellent climbers and giving them a strong grip. Their fur is sparse, reddish-brown, and long on the shoulders. They have large heads, broad faces, high foreheads, and noticeably protruding muzzles. Adult males grow mustaches and beards. Around age 35, some males develop large fatty cheek pads on both sides of the face, known as flanges. Orangutans are solitary by nature, with young staying close to their mothers. Groups of 2 females are rare. Females usually tolerate occasional encounters with one another and may even forage together. Males remain on their own territory and dislike intruders. When they meet, there's usually a display of strength, loud roaring, breaking branches, etc. If neither backs down, a fight may break out, but it usually ends with one male surrendering and running away. Despite this, orangutans generally have peaceful temperaments. Females reach sexual maturity at 8-12 years, while males mature later at 14-15. Females give birth only once every 7-9 years, the longest birth interval among all primates. Pregnancy lasts about 8.5 months, and usually 1, rarely 2 baby is born. Newborns weigh about 1.52 kilograms. Mothers nurse them for 3-4 years, and the young stay with their mothers until 6-8 years old. Orangutans mainly eat fruit and tree leaves. By eating and dispersing seeds, they help regenerate tropical forests. They're not strict vegetarians and will also eat insects, bird eggs, and occasionally even chicks. Their diet includes honey, nuts, and tree bark. Sometimes they eat soil to get minerals that help neutralize acids and tannins in their plant-based diet. They also use their strong jaws to strip tree bark and eat the cambium layer underneath, which contains sugar and water, a backup food source when fruit is scarce. Orangutans are considered among the most intelligent animals on Earth. Their ability to learn and use tools amazes scientists. They use sticks to get insects or fruit, and large leaves as umbrellas from the rain. They swat away angry bees or wasps with branches when raiding insect nests. Some use leaves as napkins to wipe fruit juice off their faces. They remember routes to fruit trees. They learn from one another. Young orangutans observe adults and copy their actions. Some individuals in captivity have even learned basic sign language to communicate with humans. They show emotions, from joy to sadness and even jealousy. These primates have long lifespans, often living over 30 years in the wild, and some reaching up to 50 years. Orangutans are some of the most amazing creatures on our planet. They're intelligent, emotional, and have a unique way of life. Each one is a personality with its own habits, preferences, and even sense of humor. But sadly, their existence is under threat. Deforestation, poaching, and climate change are destroying their natural home. Let's protect nature together. It's our shared home. And may orangutans continue to bring joy to the world with their wisdom, playfulness, and incredible wild beauty. Thank you for watching, commenting, and liking. Share this video so more people can learn about these incredible creatures. See you in the next videos.